In today's guitar lesson I'm going to show you how to play Holy by Justin Bieber featuring Chance the Rapper. Let's take a look at the chords. Capo is at fret number 6. As we put this C chord on, it is actually an F sharp. Chords. And as we play C, we come down to this chord, G, but it sounds just as good with this chord, which is a C/B. To sound more like the song, if we use the picking technique like this. And now a closer look at the chords and the finger picking. And now it's your turn to practice. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and listening.